Vivo quietly introduced its new smartphone under V70 lineup in the UAE market as Vivo V70 Lite. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo V70 Lite features a tall 6.77-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 3000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7400 turbo chipset paired with Mali G615MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo V70 Lite sports a dual-camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's IMX882 sensor, along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 6,500 mAh battery with 90 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 16 based on Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.77 by 76.28 by 7.69 millimeters, and it weighs around 194 grams. So now, let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo V70 Lite has been priced in the UAE for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,099 United Arab Emirates dirham, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 1,299 United Arab Emirates dirham. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in black and gold color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo V70 Lite 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.